Yo, coffee muna tayo tapos may order yung tropa natin mamaya, hatid natin. Then, hindi ko rin sure kung hatid ni Rapunzel yung mga natitirang stock natin sa kanya. So, pag nagkataon, dalawa yung lakad natin ngayon. So, kape muna tayo dito sa Cafe Plaza. Yun, meron pala tayong pa freebies na maliit na Bible. Yan. Readable yan. Limited lang yung freebies natin. Nag-confirm si Rapunzel na ihatid yung mga stock natin dito. Hintayin natin siya. Yung mga stock na dadalhin niya, yun yung mga lalagyan natin ng freebies. Yan. Lagyan natin lahat na maliliit na Bible yun. Paubos lang natin yung mga freebies natin. Next time, joint yung papa freebies natin. Lagyan natin ng joint. Yan, dumating na siya oh. O, kamusta yung mo, yung mga araw na hindi mo kasama?
Ay, sabihin na kayo lang.
Tagal-tagal din yun.
Tagal ba? Isang taon na yata.
Yun, dala niya na yung mga extra product. Ito ilalagyan natin ng mga freebies. Dumating na yung tropa. May dala siyang bouquet.
Siguraduhin nyo, bago kayo magbigay ng bulaklak sa ibang babae, una nyo munang binigay ng bulaklak nanay nyo.
Kahit sa pagita lang, no?
Okay.
Alog ah. Sige, para matuto ko. Ayaw ko. Saan tayo punta? Tara. Dila. Dila. Atin pa kayang dila.
Sabing dila. Medyo.
May dila ate. Kaon. Kaon.
Never blame anyone in your life. Good people give you happiness. Worst people give you experience. The worst people give you a lesson. And the best people give you cherished memories. We are often let down by the most trusted people and loved by the most unexpected ones. Some use their words to make us cry. Others ignore our faults and cherish our smile. Some leave us when we need them most, while others stay with us, even when we ask them to leave. The world is a mixture of people. We just need to know which hand to shake, which hand to hold, and which hand to slap away. After all, that's life. Learning to hold on and learning to let go. It's about embracing the joy and pain, the laughter and tears. Each experience shapes us, making us stronger and wiser. And in the end, it's the lessons and the memories that define our journey. Cherish the good times, learn from the bad, and always keep moving forward.